Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Cloud Tech with Hemanta. I am your instructor Hemanta. I have more than 12 years in industry experience. Here I am going to share Azure A0402 Hero series videos so that you can learn Azure Cloud Services from scratch. So here our today's topic virtual machine. So we can say Azure Virtual Machine provide on-demand, scalable computing resources in the cloud. They are virtualized instances of computer systems that enable users to run applications and services without the need to manage the underlying hardware infrastructure. Azure VMs offer a wide range of options for operating systems configurations and sizes, allowing user to customize their virtual machine environment according to their specific requirement. Here are few dependence resources in order to deploy virtual machine like virtual network, subnet with NSG, disk, network interface. So, virtual network is a fundamental component of Azure networking, enabling secure and isolated connectivity for Azure resources. Number two, virtual machine disk provides storage for your VMs. Number three, network interface is a virtual network interface card that enables Azure virtual machines to communicate with other resources. And number four, network security group NSG. NSG is a security feature in Azure that control inbound and outbound network traffic of a virtual machine. Okay, let's come to the Azure portal. Okay, now we are in Azure portal, so we are going to deploy our first virtual machine in Azure. So just click on virtual machine. Here click on create and select Azure virtual machine. Yeah, by default my subscription pay as you go is showing, and now we need to create one resource group. I'm giving a name. It's a demo RG. Here also I need to put a name, virtual machine name like demo VM. Region selected Central India, Asia specific. Keep it as it is. Availability option also no, we need to know infrastructure redundancy required. And security type we are choosing standard. Here you can select OS images as per your requirement. See all images. Go to the Azure Marketplace. And you can select the required images, like I am choosing Windows Server. Click on select, and here I need to choose the required OS. Now I am choosing Windows Server 2022 data center 64X generation 2. After that I need to select the required size. Here it's mentioned the how many CPU and RAMs required. So I am choosing one CPU and 3.5 gig memory. So now I need to put one username. Now by default inbound port RDP 3389 enabled. No changes required. Click on next. Here you can see disk size by default it's 127 gig, and OS disk type premium SSD local redundant storage. Okay, so keep it as it is, no need to change anything. Click on next. Here you can see the networking part. Here one virtual network demo VM VNet will be create, and here the default subnet also selected. Here one public IP will be create demo VM IP. Other settings no need to change anything. Click on next. Okay, then click on next. Okay, again click on next. Next, and now click on review and create. Here you can see the estimate, and also you can see the configuration what you choose as of now, like disk, networking, management. Okay, each and everything you can see here. Okay, now we can go for the deploy VMs. Just click on create button. It will take some time, so I'm going to pause the video. Will come up once it's done. Now we can see our deployment is completed. Go to resource. Here we can see the demo VM, our virtual machine in running state. So here I need to connect that VM. Before that I can see that by public IP address, DNS name not configured. Here also see the private IP address. Okay, let's connect the VM. Click on connect. Download RDP file. Now type the user password. Now we are able to log in successfully in our first virtual machine. Now we have almost completed our today's topic. So thanks for watching this video. We'll see you on next video. Bye.